Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is SYEDA Hub, and today we are going to continue the same paper of May-June 2023, paper 2, but the portion which we are going to cover today is the database. So let's see what's there in the database portion. Okay, this is task number 3 of database. Let's start it. You are now going to prepare some reports. So actually the basic purpose of database is creating a report. And we are not having only reports in the database. We used to create the forms, we used to create the labels, tabular reports, columnar reports. There are so many stuff we can create. But now they have mentioned it in the beginning that you are supposed to create the reports. Examine the file J2321 results.csv. Now this is comma separated values. So we are going to examine it and identify the most appropriate field for the primary key. Now the major thing for the examination, we need to find out the field which is going to be primary key. This time they didn't mention the what will be the primary key. So this is you who will decide, and by checking and examining that file of result, and whatever will be the unique field, it will be the primary key. So let's go and examine the file, and I am going to open the resource. There is the resource and the file will be result.csv, and I am going to open it by using Excel. CSV files are the comma separated values which can be opened in Excel nicely. Okay, let's close it. Okay, now let's check it out. There are some fields given over here: start code, last name, first name, race number, and club name, then cat code, year of birth, and race time, status, event rank, and cat rank, category of rank. So we are going to find out which field should be the primary key, who will be the most appropriate field. So we need the basic rule of primary key, that it's unique. So for finding out the unique values, we will select first column, go to the conditional formatting, highlight, and check the duplicate value. Wow, there are lots of duplication in that column. So we cannot take it as a primary key. And secondly, last name, first name also cannot be taken. There might be some duplication here. Now this field I can check race number. So again, we are going to the conditional formatting. I need to select the whole column, whole information this time present in this column. So there are lots of records. So let's check it out. And if you want to make it short, you can click it here. The whole stuff will be selected. So let's go again, highlight, and check the duplicate values. So there is no duplicate value here. So means it should be pink with light red filled. Okay. So let's check it out. Oh, nice. It's not duplicated. So there is no duplicate value. So I think this will be the best for the primary key because it's unique. Here we are having C7, C7, C7. Duplication is there. 1965. And let's check it out, this one as well. Go for the duplication. Oh, duplicated. Each and every field is duplicated. Okay, so I think we have decided that the race column should be the primary key. Now let's close it and don't save because it's an original file. And now we are going back to the question paper. They asked us to identify the primary key and close this file afterwards, because if you will not close it and you will try to import in Access, then it might give you some errors. So we have already closed it, and We have examined it and find out which field can be a primary key and unique. Using database software, import this file uh, 2321 result.csv and use these fields in it. Okay, fine. Let's go and create a new file of access. This is a new file we are going to open, a blank database, and the name can be May 2023 20 variant 21 and paper P2. Okay, let's create it. Okay, here we are. Close this table. We are because we need to import the file. We are not going to create it. So first CSV file is the text file. So we are moving towards the text file and let's find out where is the resource. Here is the resource and we are supposed to select this one. Results, you can see here it's a text file because CSV and RTF both files are created in the in MS Word. Okay, then import the source and data in the new table. Okay, fine, import it. Is it a comma separated file? Yes. Okay, fine, next. It's a comma separated file, yes, and this field should be the label. It shouldn't be the part of our data. So next, here we are going to check the data types. Okay, so let's do it. Do one thing. There are two ways of doing it. One will be the okay. One thing will be the way we are going to check the advance, and from advance we can set the data types. Okay, this is one way. And the second way is that we from even from this place we can click and check the data types. It will appear at the top. Okay. So now this time I am going to check it. The start code should be the text. So you can see the start code and it is short text. Fine. Next one is last name, then first name, both are text. And number is the number with 0 decimal. So you can see race number is the number. And if we are going to click it, it's long integer. Let's make it simple integer because we need to save the memory area as well. And club name is again text. Fine. Club name is text. And cat code is also short text. So cat code is also text. Year of birth is number and race time is date. Okay. So let's check year and year of birth. It is long integer. Let me make it short. And then the race number is its date and time and status. So what about status? It should be the text. Fine, it is. And then next, both of them are numbers. So means event rank and cat rank. These are also integer. Okay, fine. Let me reduce the size of our integer and then next. Everything is done. If I want to compare it once, so I can have this window here from the advanced and let me check it out. Here we are having the first name and last name text and start code and last name, first name text and race is integer or number. Both of them are text and then YOB is also integer and race time is date and time. So we can see that everything is perfect. But here date and time is having HHMMSS means 2 digits for hours and 2 digits for minutes and 2 digits for second. And here we can see the time is fine. We are taking it in our consideration and then OK. After pressing OK, we will move next. Next, we are here for the primary key. So click this option, and this is it. This field was having so many duplications. We decided race number as a primary key. Then next, and here we can say this is the table which we imported. Finish and then close. So here is our table, and let's go to the question paper again. Okay, in the question paper, we have already done it and set the and identify the field we have already decided and save the data. Fine. Place the evidence document, a screenshot showing the field name and the data type and the primary key used in the table. Okay, fine. For this purpose, we are going to open this table in the design view, and this is the name column, this is the data type column, and here is the key, little key sign over here which is showing the primary key. So let me take the screenshot of this table. This area is enough because we didn't make changes in this area. So let's go to the evidence document, and evidence document number should be, let's check it from the paper. Which question number is this? It is 15. So evidence should be pasted in question 15. Here is our evidence. Fine. So let's move back towards the table now. Close these design views and find out what's next. Okay, next they are asking import the file J2321 start underscore time dot CSV as a new table in your database. Okay, use these fields, name and data types. So all the fields are text other than start time. And here we are having group code as a primary key. Okay, fine. Everything is quite clear this time. They have mentioned the primary key, and they told us the data type. So let's go and import this start time file. Sorry, we are going to extract the data, external data, and from text file, let's browse it. This time we are going to take this file, open, okay, and yes, this is comma separated file. Next, first row should be declared as label. And now the data types, we can see this one is the date and time, and rest of them are short text. Yes, great. This was the same. Let me show you once again. All the values are text other than start time. It is date and time, and the format is HHMMSS. So let's see the format. We can adjust the format by after importing it in our the access. Then next, and primary key should be the group code. Okay, fine. This is the group code. And next, now this is the next table, and finish and close. Okay, this is our next table. So let's see what the paper is saying. Import the file J2321 cat underscore code dot CSV, a new table in your database. Set all the data types to the text and set cat code is the primary key. Now again they have given us and they told us that the data type should be text for each and every field. So let's go and import cat codes this time. External data, new data source, from field, text files, and we are going to take this one, open, okay, and again, next. First line should have the labels, next, and all should have short text. This one, this one, this one, and this one, all four. Let's check it out once again. All these fields are short text. Okay, then move to the next. Primary key must be the cat code. Here it is because they have mentioned that cat code should be the primary key. Then next, and here is the third table which we have imported, and finish and then close. Okay, here are our three tables which we have uh, we got imported in the Access. So let's see what the question paper is saying. Place in your evidence document the screenshot of the field name, data type, and primary keys you used in the table. In this table as well and this table. So let's take the screenshots first. So here is the time and open it in the design view. Take a screenshot, new screenshot, and here we are having showing the primary key and the name of the table. And then let's go to the evidence document, press enter, paste it, then close it. Next we are going to take the third table, this one, cat code, right click, design view. But before we are going to close the previous one, now this time cat code is the primary key and all the data types are text. So let's take a new screenshot along with the name and the primary key and the data types. So let's save it again in the evidence document. They have asked us for all these evidences. So we have done. So next, let's move towards the paper. Okay. Now afterwards they are looking for, but one more important thing is that question number 17 is having this. So place the evidence document in 17 of cat code. So I am going to change, it should be in 17 and this one screenshot should be in 16 like this. And if I'll reduce the spaces so it will fit like this. Okay, so next they are saying create one-to-many relationship as links between. Fine. Now I am going to create the relationship between all these three tables. So let's go to Access, close all the design views, and now go for the database tools and take the relation from there. These are three tables. Double click and bring them here. So first they are saying group code field in the start time table. Okay. And start code field in the result table. Okay. Group code in the start time. Start time, this is the group code. And start code from the result table. From the result table, start code. So one is the primary key and one is the normal key of that table. We have done it. Now it's, you can see one-to-many relationship. So let me place it here, this relationship, and let's create it first. Next, they are saying cat code field in the cat code table, cat code field in the result table. Okay. Now this primary key from the cat code table and this foreign key in the result table. We will drop it there. You can see it from here. I am turning it on as well and then create. Next, question number 18, they are saying place the evidence screenshots showing the one-to-many relationship between these three tables. So we need to show the one-to-many relationship. So for that purpose, we will bring this table here under it and then take a screenshot. Take a new one and I am going to take a screenshot of this question number 18. I am going to paste it. In my evidence document, question number 18, I am going to paste and I can make its size big and small, but this one-to-many should be very much clear. We are going to say okay, and this time I am opening this relationship. So let's take a screenshot of it as well. Now take a new one, new option, and This time you will take screenshot where you can show one-to-many relationship. Go to the evidence document, and on the same evidence 18, we are going to paste it. So let's make a bit smaller so it can fit on the same page. Fine. This is too big and this is too small, so you can create an equilibrium between both of them by adjusting their size. Okay, like this. Now it's fine. Let's move towards the paper. Question number 8 is done. We have created one-to-many relationship between these three tables. Now we are proceeding towards question number 19, and they are asking us to enter a new record in the result table. So let's go to the access, and we are going to enter the data. Open the table, result table in the access, and click this arrow with star button to make a new data entry. And the new data entry we are doing here, and first value is HC06. Then next option, last name is here. In the exam they will give you the hard copy of your paper, so you cannot copy paste it there. So while entering or typing it, be careful, don't make typing mistakes, otherwise it will be difficult to find it out even in the hassle of exam. So be very much vigilant while entering it. So we are having this C5, and next one is 1992, and then the time, race time will be here, and the next one is FIN with the capital letters, and here we are having 122, and the last option is 68, and then I'm pressing Control S. After pressing Control S, let me close and reopen this table. From this race number, it's unique. I'm going to find 1203, which record I entered, 1221, 1203, to check whether yes, here is my record which I entered. Alhamdulillah, it's there. So let me proceed towards the question paper, what they are asking further, and save and then check it for error. There are two reports. One is simple report, one is having the calculation while runtime. So I will explain this type of report later. So before that, let me start question number 20, the first report, and they are asking if from the result and start timetables, they are using two tables in it, and you are supposed to make a tabular report. Fine. Okay, these are 2 points which are very much important. Select the record where the group code is HC00 and year of birth is 1975 or later. Okay, fine. These two options should be there for the criteria. We are having criteria here. Okay, this is the criteria we are supposed to, but these are the fields: group code, last name, first name, year of birth, status, race time, rank, and till here rank in an order. So all that stuff should be in an order. So let's do it. First, go to our access, and here we are going to create a query first, because we are supposed to put the criteria. I am taking the option query design. For that purpose, they want us this and result table. Make it clear, and now enter group code, last name, first name. So here is group code. Double click it. It will automatically add in the query. Last name, then first name. After that, we are supposed to year of birth, status, and race time. Okay, year of birth, status, and race time. Where is it? This is the race number, not race time, not this one. So I need race time here. Okay, after race time and event rank. Okay, so where is event rank? Here it is. So I entered everything. Now I am going to apply the criteria. Group code is HC00. Okay, where is group code? Here it is. In the criteria row, I am going to give the criteria. It should be the criteria. Press Ctrl S and execute. The query is question number 20. So I am giving the name query 20. Okay. Now double click this query and check whether HC00. Yes, the code group code is HC00 all around. So this was the basic criteria. I am going in the design uh, mode again, and let's check next criteria. Year is 1975 or later. Okay, year, whether it's in, let me check. For the year of birth, which data type I entered. In the result, year of birth, I think I entered it as a number. Open it in design view. Year of birth is number. So my criteria will be a bit different if it's number. So I will simply mention the criteria, which is year of birth is 1975 or later, means it should be greater than equals to 1975. Okay, now Control S. Let me execute. My year of birth should be more than 1995 and 1995 should be included. Yes, you can see there is nothing 1995, no, 1975. So 1975 and more than that are there. So now we are having only 32 records. Fine. Let's move towards the question paper. This portion is done in order. These fields should be displayed in the report in order with data and label displayed in full. Okay. Do not group the data and sort the data into the descending order of year of birth. Okay. These sorting we can place them in two ways. I will tell you both of them. In one query, one report, I will apply one method, and the other one I will apply the second one, and up to your ease you can choose them. Has one page oriented, it means my criteria area is done. Let me move towards the click this query which we have created, go to create and then go to report wizard. Going to create the report. All you can see here our created query is selected and all the options which we need, shift them here by clicking this double arrow. Next, now you can see it is in a form of group, but they are mentioning that no need of making a group. So we are going to click the next option. Now there is no group, so it's fine. Move next and then next. Now here is one place where you can put the sorting. So let's go sort the data in descending order of year of birth. Okay, fine. Let me take year of birth and the order should be descending. Fine. Any other sorting? The question can have two or three sorts. So there is only one this time. Fine. So it is okay. Then I will press next. And here is the tabular report. They mentioned it. It should be a tabular report. Orientation should be portrait. Okay. It should fit in a single page. This option is very important. So portrait is there and this box should be checked because they are asking that this report should fit width wise as well in on one page. Okay, fine. Next. Now, is it any name of the report or the title? This is the title. I am going to take it, copy it in the same way, and I am pasting it here. It will be the title of the report and then finish. It's not valid, so let's do question number 20 and REPORT report. Okay, let's finish it. I will edit this thing later in the report. Now this is my report which I created. It is in a portrait form and a tabular. Tabular means multiple records should appear in one page. So let me click this one, the report, and go to the design view. Here I can paste the required title and execute it once again. There are so many fields which we need to fix in this layout view. So I need to take it back where it should be. So in the paper, year code, last name, first name, then there is year of birth. So year code, last name, first name, and then we are having year of. Let me fix them a little. Okay, I am making space for it. This one and this one shouldn't be here. It should be here in a sequence. So here we are dragging rest of the stuff backward. Yes, they were the first and second records, and now let me give it a space to display properly. Okay, fine. And then we are having these options. They are quite visible, but the text box is so big. Let me fix it. Here the text box should be increased, and for that data it should be increased as well. So let's hold both of them. Now this one is it still need some space, more space. So all these labels and data shouldn't be in this form. They should be quite visible. So we need to do editing in this stage, and especially we will look for the proper sequence which they asked us or which they gave us in the paper. So now I can check my sequence, group code, last name, first name, year of birth, group code, last name, first name, year of birth, status, race time, and event rank. Status, race time, and event rank. So the sequence is fine. Let's see next what they are asking. Before it, I just adjusted it a little, and let me check whether it is properly fixed. For that purpose, we will go and see the print preview. In the print preview, I can see my one page report. It is there, but my name, candidate number is not there. So let me check what the paper is asking. Calculate the number of database records. So how many records are there? We are supposed to calculate them now. So let me highlight it, number of records shown in the report, and place them at the end of the report. Finally visible. Okay, so they didn't specify under which field we are supposed to place them. Anywhere you can place it. Fully visible and formatted to 0 decimal places. Okay, let's go again to the design view. This is our design view, and they didn't ask us for the page numbers and they didn't ask us the time. So I am erasing both of them. First name, I am clicking in the detailed area, not the labels. This one I will click, go to the formula and count the record. Click this option, count the record, and Control S, and I am going to see it once again. Where is the counting of my record? Here it is. It is 32 and number of records, but it should be there somewhere under any field, not like this. So let me go move back to the layout view is fine. So click this one, make the box small, text box, and place it properly under first name. Fine, so it's looking better now. Let's go to the design view again and check the question paper, what they are looking for. It should be fully visible, 0 decimal places. Okay, so click this one and go to the property sheet. For this purpose, we are going to the report design and then properties. From here, we are having decimal places as auto. Let me show you. It is right now auto. So open it and make it 0 decimal places. Fine. Press Ctrl S and again moving towards the paper. Fully visible, 0 decimal places. Okay. Has the label number of the cyclists fully visible on the left of the value? Now, if you are supposed to put this label in front of this, so we are going to take a label on the left side. We are going to paste it. This was the formula or counting, and here we are having our label on the left side of it. And let me press Ctrl S and execute and check it. You can see number of cyclists, and these are the number of cyclists we are having. We calculated by counting them. Okay, now next we are going to have the next point. This should be highlighted. It's very important to highlight each and every step which we have done, because otherwise we will be confused or we may miss something. Your name, candidate number, and center number should be at the bottom of the report. They are asking this at the bottom of the report because this report is having only one page. But if your report is having multiple pages, so these name and center number should appear on the bottom of each and every page. So it's better to right away, they are asking us to put it under the report so we can give it all that stuff in the report footer. But if you want it to appear on each and every page, if your report is having more than one pages, so we are supposed to place it in the page footer. My name, center number, and my candidate number, it is here. Let me make this box small and Control S. Let me see the print preview. Now my name, candidate number is here, total and its count is here. It is fitted. You can see there is only one page, so means it's quite fit and no need to edit any part of it anymore. Let's go to the design and check the paper once again. Place the evidence document, a screenshot showing the database formula using to calculate the number of. Okay, so this formula should be pasted in the evidence document. Let me move towards the report. This is the formula. You can see it is not visible properly, so drag it big, make it properly visible, and then take a screenshot having this option and this together, and go to your evidence document. Evidence 20 is your formula, copy, and then we are going to paste it here. It's not okay. Here it is. So make it sure that your formula should be complete. Don't copy it which is not totally and fully visible along with this label, because you added this label on their instructions. So we are taking the screenshot, and now then they are asking to print the report. Okay, for this purpose we are going to our report, click the report, right click on it and press the option export and take the option PDF. PDF should be saved in your work area, and after saving it there, you will simply give the command of print and print it right away. Don't wait till the end of the paper. This is my work area and here is my PDF. Double click on it and check in this format. The report is looking quite better. Label, its number of and your name, candidate number, everything is there, and these fields are in a sequence. The title of the report is also there, so it's perfect. Okay, students, now question number 21. Again, there is one more report, but in this report we are going to calculate one field runtime. So let's see how to do it using the field from the result and cat code table. So this time we need these two tables to create a report, a tabular report. Fine. So let's go and start inserting, and for this calculation time per kilometer we are using race time divided by 50 kilometer. So this is the important thing which we are going to do in this report. For now, for that purpose, create query design. We need two tables this time. One will be the cat code and one will be the result. Okay, so let's see which options we are having here. This is the property option, so make it small. The sequence of that report is race number, first name, last name. Where is race number? First name, last name. Double click the options from the table. Cat rank, club name, cat rank here, club name. Then category and status, category and status, time per kilometer and race time in so time per km we are supposed to create. Here they have given us the way how we can create and calculate it, and next one is race time. So race time is available, so I am going to add race time now. Here are all the fields, but in the last one I am going to create the field which I need to calculate runtime. So take the name which they have given in this option. You can start typing it right away, but there is one more option of builder. You can type it over there as well. First type the name, then two dots, colon, and next you are supposed to take race time, the field, divided by 50 kilometer. Okay, now you make it very much sure that yours shouldn't give any wrong spelling. So race time is this one, RACE, and then underscore TIME time. Race time, this division of 50 kilometer, and then press OK. Now this is the calculated runtime. Control S. Query will be query 21 and OK. Let's click this query 21, open it wide. This is the new field which we have created. It is not visible properly, so that's why they gave us those hashtag signs. There should be anything more specified regarding the decimal places because it's so long. So let's move towards the paper again. For this division, format this field to display the time in HHMMSS format. Okay, I need this format to specify. Control C. Let me go back again to the design view of that query. Click that option, go to property sheet, in the format paste HHMMSS and Control S. Let's run it once again. So now it's fine. You can see now it is proper. So what can we do now? We are going to put the other criterias which are given. Okay, yes, save it. Now move towards the design view once again. So close this property sheet, and now here is the new one. This new one shouldn't be here. The sequence is different in the paper. So I am changing the sequence of these two fields because in the paper we are supposed to have race number, first name, last name. Here time per kilometer is first and then race time. Race number, first name, last name, and cat rank, club name, category, cat rank, club name, category, status, and distance. Okay, fine, it's done. Now the next step is club name includes the text power. Means this power word should be included in the name. Rest of the words can be there, but this word should be there. Fine. So let's go to the club name. Before doing anything, let me open the result table and analyze this club name. This is the option club name. Power cycle and super powered rollers means both of the options should be there. The name which is having the word power should include in it. Okay, so I am closing this table now. I analyzed it. I am going to the design view, and in the club name option in front of the criteria, give the word 2 stars, and between those stars write down the word power, because we need all those words which are having this word power in it. Okay, so let me execute it, save it, check it out. So here we are having power cycle. There are 65 records now. All the words which are having power are there in this list. So this was our requirement. Now again I am moving towards the design view. After this, let's check what's the next criteria. They are saying status does not include NDF or DNS. So both of them shouldn't be there. So let's see how many options are there in status. Where is status? This is status. So if I will open the filter, you can see here is DNF, DNS and FIN. So they are looking for FIN only. Okay, so there are multiple ways to write down the option. As we are going to write status should FIN, only that one, rest of them shouldn't be there. So here you can see FIN, and now there are only 45 records after this application of our criteria. Press Ctrl S and close this query. Go to the design view and check the paper once again. DNS and DNF is not there, and the word power is included in all the names. Time per kilometer we have created. This is having the sequence. Now let's go and make a report. The query requirements are done. So Control S and close this query. Now click this query, go to create and create a report wizard. Take options here and then next, and they are not grouped. If it is this form is there, it means it's grouped. So they are saying no grouping should be there. So what you are supposed to do in this situation, take the next option. So there is no group. Next, sorting can be done from here, but this time I will do it from the report, so it won't disturb the sequence which I added in the criteria or query. Okay, this is the point which we need to work on. Page orientation is landscape and it should fit in width. It should be 1 page. Landscape, it is on, and this is a tabular report. Fine. Then next, the name. Okay, the title should be Power Club Results. Take the title and paste it here and then finish. Okay, now this is my report and I need to fix it a little. Now I am going to apply the sorting ascending order of the club name. So I am going to sort it club name with ascending order. Okay. For this purpose, you will click the report, right button and design view. We are having this option, group sort. Click this one. We need to take a single value, and the single is having club name and it should be in the club name ascending order. So club name ascending order means from A to Z. So next there is one more criteria, cat rank should have ascending order again. So this ascending order is for actually the cat rank, ascending order for the club name and ascending order for the cat rank. Again, I am going to click this single sorting, cat rank with the ascending order. Ascending means from small to large and it is fine. Now we are having small to large, Control S. We are having two criteria, two sorts now. Press Control S and you can close it. It won't go anywhere. If you will click this one again, you can see it is already there. It's applied in the report. So this is the second method of applying the sorting, and this method of applying sort in the report will not disturb the sequence. So you can see there is let me make it fix it a little in the layout view, align the fields a little so everything should be quite visible. Nothing should be hidden. So don't make the text boxes so small. Everything should be visible here. Race number and it should be under it. Now the last name and this one, minimize the text boxes, check it out. All the information is visible. Yes, it is visible. Cat rank. Okay, it's hidden. So fix it. But you can see there are some number keys here. So means this field is small. It should have much space. A little more. Fine. Then club name. Both of them are quite proper, I think. So nothing should be hidden. It's fine. Category text box is so big. Let me make it small. Status. Okay. So time per kilometer is here and here is the time. Race time. Now control S. It will have single page now. Okay. If I will show this in a print preview. So now it is having only one single page. Let's go back to the question paper. Then name, center number, candidate number should be there. And the report positioning, same position everywhere. Not included. Okay, fine. So let me add my name, candidate number. This is the only thing which is left. Go for the label in the page footer, your name, center number, and control S. See it once again. Okay, your print preview, the data, your name, center number is there. Everything is properly fully visible. So this is the report. Export it as PDF in my work area with the same name. Publish, and now give the print command. It will be here in my work area. Double click on it and you can see your report is here. And thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.